In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all emails from one sender in Gmail. So first, find a recent email from them that you've received. I'm going to delete all emails from this politics page. Now you can go ahead and then copy the email address. If you already know this, you don't need to copy it. You can just type it in here. I'm going to, however, paste in the email address, then click enter, and it will show us all of the emails we've ever received from this sender. We can then go ahead and click on select. Now that will select all 50 conversations on this page. Now, if you don't see select all conversations that match this search, aka you can't select all of them, you need to change from most relevant, because when you click on this select button, it won't show. You need to select most recent. Now when you click on select, it will select all 50 on this page, but if you want all of them in your inbox, click select all conversations that match, then you can click on the trash can icon, and it's going to bulk delete all conversations. This will delete more than just 50 on the first page. This will delete all of them. Click OK. And there you go, it's going to start moving them to the trash. Because there is many, it is going to take a few minutes. So after a few minutes, all of these messages are now deleted. So that's all you have to do.